Welcome back to The Soul of Stacy. Today we are here with a special holiday project. What are we making today?
Sugar cookies.
Sugar cookies. So about 2 years ago, I found a recipe on the one and only Pinterest, and this recipe was a no-chill sugar cookie recipe. As a result, I used that recipe and I entered into a cookie contest at my job, and guess what? I won, right? You remember that? Yeah. So today we're going to be making those cookies, and my lovely assistant here is going to be helping us. So stay tuned if you want to see how to make these fabulous sugar cookies. Let's get started. So the first thing that you will have to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Our recipe calls for 1 cup of unsalted butter, which is actually 2 whole sticks, 1 cup of granulated white sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract, 1 egg, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 3 cups of flour. As you can see, our assistant made some pictures in our flour. All the ingredients will be listed below with their measurements. So the first thing we're going to do is cream our butter and our sugar. Okay, and we're going to do that for about 3 minutes. Our recipe calls for us to cream the butter and the sugar for 3 minutes. From time to time, you may have to take a scraper and just scoop that butter and sugar mixture back down into the bowl so it can all get incorporated. My assistant is taking care of this very well, as you can see. You guys, this is such a kid-friendly recipe. Oh, I'm telling you. So as you can see, we've finished whipping our butter and sugar, and you want to make sure that you do it for the 3 minutes because you want it to be a very whipped consistency, almost like a Cool Whip. Next, we're going to be blending in the egg and the extracts. So we're going to be mixing in the egg and the extract. And then you're going to blend that again well. Okay, so we're almost at the end. Now that we have all the wet ingredients in there, we're going to put this blender back to action, and we're going to slowly mix in the dry ingredients, which consist of the flour, the salt, and the baking powder. You'll notice that the dough will start to form in a ball, and that's what you want. And that's why I'm using the paddle attachment versus the whisk attachment to do these cookies. As you can see, the cookie dough is starting to form the ball. Okay friends, so I've turned the dough out on to a piece of parchment paper. I apologize for the lighting. It's really cloudy outside today, and I do have a light in that I'm trying to help me with this video, but it seems as though it's kind of still making it dark. So bear with me. I promise you, these still are very good cookies. So you have two options. One of your options is to use a wine glass or a champagne glass and just press it right on top of your cookie dough, and then just spin it in a 360-degree turn, and that will create some symmetrical shapes on there. You also have the option of using a cookie cutter. So I'm going to also show you how that works. So I purchased these new cookie cutters from Michael's, and my assistant's going to see if they work. So how about you try it right there? Just press it down. So I think you have to press this down first and then the middle second. Okay, lift it up and let's see. Oh guys, I love it. I hope that works out. So we're going to continue to cut these out and see what happens. You guys, I'm really enjoying these cookie cutters that I found from Michael's. They were $2. So first you press it down like that. You don't press the button first, but once you've pressed it down into the dough, then you just press this button like that, and then you lift it up. That's what you got. And I have a couple here on my sheet. How beautiful are those? And then here are the wine glass shapes right here. Looks like these are ready to go in the oven.